Welcome to Tusk TV, your source for educational and motivational content that will help you achieve financial freedom. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Today, we'll dive into the world of investing and explore the principles outlined in The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book lays out a roadmap for anyone who wants to grow their wealth and achieve financial stability. With this book as your guide, you can turn $1,000 into $1 million. Here are some of the key principles from the book, along with explanations and examples to help you understand how to apply them in your own life. 2. Value investing. Invest in companies with strong earnings and a proven track record, rather than chasing after short-term gains. For example, investing in blue-chip stocks such as Apple or Microsoft is a good way to achieve long-term growth. 2. Diversification. Spread your investments across a range of assets to reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. For example, you can invest in stocks, bonds, and real estate to create a well-diversified portfolio. 3. Patience. Investing is a long-term game, so be patient and stick to your strategy. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. For example, if you invest in a company with strong earnings, you can wait for the stock price to rise over time, even if it takes several years. 4. Risk management. Invest with caution and always consider the risks involved. For example, investing in individual stocks can be riskier than investing in a diversified fund, so make sure you understand the risks involved and take steps to mitigate them. 5. Discipline. Stick to your strategy and don't be swayed by emotions or market noise. For example, if you have a long-term investment plan, don't get distracted by short-term market dips or hype. By incorporating these principles into your investing strategy, you can achieve your financial goals and become an intelligent investor. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient, disciplined, and focused in your efforts. Thank you for tuning into Tusk TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more motivational and educational content. Together, let's take small steps towards financial freedom.